there's no question there is no shortage of change happening in the world. We've got regulations changing, businesses are changing, politics are changing, technology is changing. So we in the regulatory space have to keep these things synced up and registered and transparent and provided to all of the stakeholders around. We have to be able to track what is changing, assess that, get changes communicated and tracked through our businesses and back out to the customer, which includes our regulatory bodies. Master sources of information are really key in this because data is not just regulatory's data. This is actually the product's data. And regulatory is simply helping tell the story to all of the stakeholders worldwide as to why this product is acceptable, why it meets their requirements, and things like that. So we can't behave any longer like this is all regulatory's deal and this is R&D's deal and behave like silos. Data is data, and we need to be able to share that. And the other piece is it's not just about developing a new product and throwing it over the wall. Because UDI is an example here, all these different countries worldwide are coming up with different requirements for UDI. They call it the same thing, but in reality, they want different data associated with that information worldwide. So we as manufacturers have to account for everyone's requirements in the sustaining organization. And I'm telling you that the people who sustain your product on market are typically the people who heat when something goes wrong, but it's generally not the people getting the pats on the back like, yay, good job doing your job. So I have a specific interest in this at Leica Biosystems in particular, because I now I was at a medical device company, had a PLM system, had a RIM system that needed updating. That was a big enough task in and of itself. Now I'm at a diagnostics company that is primarily paper-based. And I'm finding more and more as I network in the diagnostic world, that seems to be a running theme. So like you said, I don't know, I'm in charge of registrations worldwide. Where are they all at? How many am I managing? What revenue is tied to them? When regulations change, do we have to start over or not? These I have without a system. I'm just living off of people's Excel files and SharePoint sites and things like that. So I'm interested to know, of the people on the call today, what sectors of industry are you coming from? And so we can kind of get a sense of maybe how big the hill is to climb here. So we've got a poll question. Samaya, maybe you could throw that up for folks just to see what you're working in, if you're med device, combo products, or some other category of industry.